So thank you all for being here today. D Street, as you can tell from the name, is a stock market oriented society. And as a matter of fact, it's the only stock market oriented society in DU. So we basically spread financial awareness, and particularly in the domain of financial markets. And since we're the only society that operates in this domain, we have quite a vast reach. We see participants and viewers from all across India. Next slide, please. The objectives. So our objective is to spread financial literacy through research. And this research culminates into various publications that we release throughout the year. So for example, our annual report, our equity research reports, and our fortnightly newsletters. So through this research, we simplify the complexity of it all through research sessions. And we conduct speaker sessions wherein we invite industry experts and leaders to shed light on a particular topic. So basically, this gives a better understanding of the financial markets. And whether you're conducting a competition or working on industry level equity research reports or building networks, what you get at D Street is a 360-degree exposure to a career in finance. So if you're someone who is passionate in this field and wants to pursue a career in it, then D Street is the right fit for you. Also, this year we are branching out into several different initiatives, some of which have never happened in SRCC before. So this will be the first time. And these are things that we are sure that you will be very interested in. So stay tuned and we will brief you more on it.
So coming to how our society is structured, D Street is composed of 3 departments. We have a research department, we have a PR and tech department, and we have a communications department. And up until last year, we had strict separate wings for each department. But this year, we are going for a wingless approach so that every member of D Street has the freedom and opportunity to explore everything they want to, because the complete D Street experience really comprises of more than just stock markets and finance. It's about exploring all the new things that we have to offer and making you the best equipped version of yourself, while exploring a common interest.
Yeah, so as you all know, D Street is a stock market oriented society. So we would be exploring together the financial markets and all the products that are out there in the financial markets. And it won't just be confined to equities. We would be exploring beyond equities like bonds, derivatives, forex, and commodities as well. Okay, so that when you try to understand the linkage between all these products, you will understand how various macroeconomic scenarios or news can impact the whole market system. Also, we will be having regular discussions on certain macroeconomic happenings. For example, if a company is gonna offer an IPO, we will be having a fair discussion around that. Okay, and each person can have their opinions, and that will also bolster the kind of interest in the members in the society. Also, we would be having research sessions, might be once in a week or twice in a week, as per the comfort of all the members. And these research sessions would be including both fundamental as well as technical analysis. And mastering this would lead to investment valuation. And next would be portfolio management, which also we would be undertaking so that you will get an idea about how a ideal portfolio should look by weighing in the risks associated with all these financial products. So next slide. Yes, so D-score is our flagship index score. So if you just see it on the screen itself, you will get a fair idea about what does that indicate. So basically D-score is a score assigned to the stock upon which we do research. To be very specific, the equity research reports, the stock upon which we take research, we assign a specific score based on 13 different parameters. Okay, so these 13 different parameters are having weightage based on what is its impact on the share price and also on the company in the long run. Okay, so a person who doesn't have time enough to go through the entire equity research report, for them D-score provides the entire info in a crisp nutshell. So yeah.
Yeah, next slide. Yeah. So as Rohit already discussed, D-score is more of a fundamental analysis and valuation activity. But now D-screen is a comparative analysis model built this year to simplify the process of stock screening. So releasing once for every 2 weeks, D-screen is a fairly comprehensible version of our detailed equity research reports. So it rates the stocks based on 15 plus financial ratios of the company in the 5 most important verticals of stock screening, which are value, dividend, growth, past, and health. So, and along with that, industry and technical indicators are also analyzed to build a holistic approach towards the stock screening. Working on D-screen helps an investor to analyze the industry's true potential and compare the company's financial performance to that of the industrial average. Next slide.
Okay, so coming on to the publications. Our publications include bi-monthly newsletters, which give a review of important financial events across the world, and equity research reports. Recently, we have released the equity research report of Britannia, and these reports are technical and include DCF analysis, SWOT analysis, and which you will learn with us as a member. Annual reports, it is a comprehensive report covering each and every aspect of financial markets, that is bonds, commodity, forex, and sectoral watch, etc. And finally, we have articles and blogs which are written by members only. Now, next slide, please. Am I audible? Next slide. Okay. So stock marketing. Now we come on to how we go about the marketing of stock markets. So in this online setup, all the marketing takes place on our social media handles, and it includes these 9 aspects. One is video editing to create awesome and stunning videos for our social media handles, then storyboarding and strategic marketing to promote our selves in such a way to reach a greater target audience. Website management. So our website is well designed and it has a professional look and it contains fresh and quality content. So managing it is a great deal. Data handling is to modify and present the content which is available with us in an appealing and a concise manner. Social media management makes sure that all of our social media handles are at the same level and none of them is lagging behind. Then poster designing. So our posters, be it for PR campaigns, speaker sessions or events or anything, are modern, attractive and have trendy designs. We will have design sessions for you juniors as well, which will make you familiar with and help you match the level of the videos and the posters we create. We have event organization, which includes organizing and managing the flagship events of D Street, and which will be covered in the later slides. And then our events are conducted on an extensive scale, and their ever increasing reach surely justifies this. Now coming on to the PR campaigns. Next slide, please. Yes. So our PR campaigns, as stated earlier, have an objective of spreading financial literacy. Our PR campaigns are available on our social media handles and range across several topics actually related to finance, and they are thoroughly researched and presented in such a way so that they are creative, concise, informative and easy to understand and fulfill the basic agenda of spreading financial knowledge among people. Next slide, please. Yeah, so website. We released a new incarnation of our website in July last year, and our website is professional and has an aesthetically appealing user interface and has enhanced security as well. So not only this, next year on our 10th anniversary, we are going to give the website an extraordinary design, and it is going to be the most modern design any society has in SRCC. Next slide, please. Over the past year, we have seen a huge growth and many developments in our outreach. As you can see on the slide, we have had 63% year-on-year increase in website views, a 400% increase in sponsorship amounts, and a 170 plus languages supported by our website, and we have a 35,000 plus cumulative reach. Next slide. Next slide, please.
Right. So other than all the research and PR work, you guys will also be responsible for handling the external communications of the society. So that could be with the speakers or the sponsors or any other collaborators. D Street will provide you with a platform to network and make connections with people from top companies, including ICICI Securities, Aditya Birla Capital, and Angel Broking. And not only that, you guys will also be responsible for handling the finances of the society, and that amount can go up into lakhs of rupees.
Next slide, please. So here's a glimpse of what our speaker sessions are like. As you can see, it's a pretty diverse and distinguished group. We organize several speaker sessions, webinars, and panel discussions, hosting several illustrious personalities like we had Mr. Praveen Goyal, MD and Country Head of BlackRock, Mr. Ashish Chauhan, MD and CEO of BSC, CEOs of Zeppay and Paytm Money, among the many others. So you actually get to learn a lot from these sessions because the people coming in and speaking to you are industry experts with immense knowledge and experiences. And the best part about these sessions is that there's almost a Q&A session at the end. So you can actually interact with them and gain valuable insights and exposure. And we hope to have a lot of such interactions in the coming months. And once you guys come aboard, you will be the ones interacting and hosting them. So swiftly moving on to the next slide. It's an acknowledgement to our past partners. We collaborated with some of the best corporates in the industry. As you can also see on the screen, we had BSC, Aditya Birla Capital, ICICI Securities, Zeppay, DSIJ, Money Control, and our annual Fest Bullseye, that is Asia's largest undergraduate stock market festival. It was covered by Doordarshan in 2020. So you guys can actually see the scale at which we do things, and we anticipate that we'll set the bar much more higher with more such collaborations in the near future.
Now, coming to the fest that actually defines what D Street does, the power-packed week that the finance geek inside every one of you will crave, Bullseye. This year, Bullseye was a huge success. Collaborating with over 20 plus prominent brands, the fest witnessed enthusiastic participation by over 11,000 participants, where the winners ended up taking home prizes worth more than 7.5 lakh rupees. Let's move on to the next slide, where we'll have a look at the flagship events of Bullseye 2021. Next slide, please. The Shriram Mock Stock. The Shriram Mock Stock is the biggest mock stock that is conducted in the University of Delhi, with over 2,400 plus registrations, including registrations from premier B schools pan-India. The Shriram Mock Stock 2021 was bigger than ever. Fueling curiosity and innovation has always been our main goal. The Shriram Investment Challenge and the Shriram Valuation Challenge were the first of their kind competitions organized by D Street at Bullseye 2021. With you, the batch of 2024 with us, we aim to make Bullseye even bigger and better, taking D Street to new heights.
Now, SRTC or Shriram Trading Challenge is one of the most celebrated events of D Street. Every year, we organize this event on a virtual platform, but with real stocks and real-time prices. The participants are given a chance to construct a virtual portfolio, and teams with the highest portfolio value at the end win the title of a trading champion. This year, our reach jumped to 50,000, and despite the pandemic, we witnessed the massive participation of over 1,700 plus traders across India, including students from top IITs and IIMs. We also collaborated with esteemed organizations like ICICI Securities, CoinSwitch Kuber, Wow Skin Science, and many more. Consequently, we were able to award prizes worth 3.5 lakhs to the SRTC winners. Now moving on to the intra-society competitions. To ensure growth and promote competitiveness among our members, we organize a plethora of intra-society competitions like mock stock and stock pitch competitions. A mock stock is an exciting event wherein trading of stocks takes place on the basis of news items. On the other hand, stock pitch is a fun battle where participants present their ideas and argue for or against investing in a company's stock. Through these competitions, you get a chance to hone your analytical and research skills while improving your financial acumen significantly. Next slide.
Okay, so on your screen, you could basically see the logo of the companies or the institutions that people who were previously a part of D Street as members of the cabinet have made to these institutions, have made to these companies. And that is consequently because of the fact that we help people create a sound financial foundation. We provide them with enough opportunities that help them, at the undergrad level to further it when they venture out into other fields, particularly in finance. So these are just some of the names that we have listed down there. There are many more such companies. And what we would do is we'd help you connect with the alumni network. We'd help you to get the kind of insights that are needed when you actually venture out into the corporate world and bridge the gap that exists when you are sort of learning, earning an undergrad degree. And the kind of practical knowledge that is actually required when you are out there. So you could just see that our alumni network has made it to BCG, Amazon, IIMs for those who are interested in pursuing, say, MBA in finance and even other fields. Nomura, JP Morgan, D. Shaw. So yeah, can we move on to the next slide, please? Yeah, so what's in it for you? I think this is one of the most fundamental questions that you would be coming up with whenever you come for an orientation, that why should you be joining us? Yeah, so apart from everything that is being mentioned here, we in particular be providing you some training, not just in relation to the stock markets, because often there is a myth among people that we merely deal with, or D Street merely means stock market, wherein we also do a lot of financial stuff, which is a separate league in itself. So as far as the stock marketing is concerned, we'll help you develop skills in, say, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, algo trading, help you understand the kind of programming languages and how you could in particular suit that to your requirement in trading. Help you design professional designing as well. Then coming to the finance aspect, you'd be working on, say, DCF models or relative comp methods, analyzing different stocks, learning mathematical methods that are in particular used in the industry. And the third part that we've already talked about, since quite a while, that not just through our alumni network, but also because we collaborate with big corporate houses, we collaborate with speakers that work there. We help you gain sufficient grounding, to be able to venture out into finance with the kind of exposure that we provide through our collaborations. So yeah. Can we move on to the next slide, please?
Yeah. So guys, coming to the most important topic, the recruitment procedure that you guys have been waiting for a while. So basically the recruitment procedure is pretty straight and simple. We have 3 ladders. Number 1 being the application form. Number 2 followed by the group discussions, and number 3 the person interview. So these rounds will be basic rounds, all being eliminative. And also the application forms will be released soon after we end the orientation. So you guys can check our social media handles as well as our website to fill in the application forms. The deadline stands to be 6th of December at 12 midnight. So don't miss the deadline and stay tuned with our social media handles for other updates. And also now it's time for the surprise announcement that Maika talked about in the beginning. So coming to that, the Freshers Mock Stock 2021, a mock stock competition specially for the freshers coming into SRCC. The batch of 24, we give you an experience to trade into live markets by a freshers mock stock competition. On Monday, 13 December 2021 at 5 p.m. sharp, we'll have the competition, and the perks are the top 3 winners to get into direct interview round. So you guys will be skipping the elimination rounds of application as well as the group discussion. That's a benefit that you get if you stay among the top 3. Else, the exposure to the live stock markets and how your financial abilities work will be taken into consideration as well. Thank you guys. Keep updated with DStreet. Social media handles, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, everywhere we are. And for queries, you can email us at contact@dstreetsrcc.com. Any one of us, you can reach out over phone or WhatsApp. And also you can visit our website, dstreetsrcc.com, to get a glimpse of what we have done in the past. Now we are open to questions. So you guys can put in the chat box.